Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So basically I'm working on make scenario and I'm facing a issue where this scenario is not being executed completely and it stops here. As you can see here, it does some XPath queries and it's not able to find any kind of output. You see in all of these operations there is no output, so because of this it's not moving forward where I have already applied the condition, like if this is empty output, if the output of this module is empty, so then it should do some other XPath query, but since it's not moving forward, so this is a problem. Okay, so finally I have found a solution for it, and basically what I did, I simply added a router. Sorry. Yeah, so basically I simply added a router before that, perform XPath query, and now it's working fine. You can see after the router, even if it fails, so it's moving to another router and here it perform all of that which I want, and now it's working fine, and hopefully this solution helps you. Thank you guys, bye.